Right. So hello again. So the main reason why we're having this meeting is, because of a consultation. So if you guys have a question or a problem or a clarification, so this is now your chance to ask that question. So anyone who has a question or clarification regarding with week 1 and week 2, or you might have a concern with your quizzes, like for example, sir, why am I having a score of 0 in here? I thought or I think my answer is correct, but why is that I'm having a score of 0, or why is that I'm having a score of 5, 10, something like that. Well, there's a lot of concerns regarding with chapter 1.1, I guess. Yeah, that's your seat break chapter 1.1, since most of you answered in hundreds only. Okay, but it's indicating there that it's in thousands, so your answer should be will be multiplied to thousand. So instead of, let's say, 500, it should be 500,000. Though I considered some, okay, since their solutions are correct, okay, and the answer is really correct. It's just that it's not in thousands. So any other else who has any question or concerns regarding with their quizzes or state works or case studies maybe? None? What about the video? Okay, because that video that I'm letting you guys watch is just the compiled Zoom meeting of ours in first half. So I also have a Math 100 in first half. So I just use that one and then compile that one so we can save time, instead of us discussing for 2 hours, 3 hours. So what I did is I just compiled it, since the way I will explain things on every module, I will still be the same. So uh, I hope that's fine with you guys if I just recycled, okay, our Zoom meeting in the first up. Any feedback? So
Wala po, sir.
parang nahihirapan akong i-guess kung papaano ba. Kasi kapag sa face to face, nakikita ko yung reaction ng mukha nyo. Okay. So dito, hindi ko alam kung okay lang ba or hindi. Anyway, so let's have a votation. So midterm is almost over. So we now only have 1 week, which is the week 3. Okay. So would you guys like to have a live discussion via Zoom on the finals? Or is it okay to just do what I did in week 123? I just compiled the Zoom meetings of ours in first up, and then I'll let you guys watch that one. So to those who would like to have a live discussion, please give me a thumbs up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 only. Okay, so I think 7 yung maximum. So kung 7 lang kayo out of 19, so it's not the majority's wanted to happen. So again, just give me thumbs up if you like what we're having right now with the discussions, like it's a compiled Zoom meetings of my class before. 8, 9, 10. So umabot ng 10, I think 11, kaya may mga ibang umabot. So parang mas gusto nyo yung, well, I think mas pabor nga naman sa inyo yun, since ganun din yung pag-explain ko. Ayun nga lang, hindi siya live. So it already happened in the first half. So I was about to say first, I mean last time, but it's not last time. So nangyari na siya ng first half, and then ang disadvantage lang naman nun is you won't be able to ask the question. Kunyari, nagdi-discuss ako, makakapagtanong ka kaagad. Pero doon, makakapagtanong ka pa rin naman, though you need to message me on my Canvas account or Facebook account. So mas matagal lang yung feedback, kumbaga. Yun lang naman yung pinagkaiba, since the way I'll explain things will be still the same. Okay. Anyway, so let me just share my screen so it's more very final. Sir, di po ma-access yung mga practice exercise. So I think in quizzes, if it's yeah, if it came from quizzes, so you have to sign up first. So uh you need an account for that one, enable for you to access that specific quiz. Well, free naman siya. So basta meron ka ng account, lahat pwede mo na ma-access sa quizzes. Sa ProFrops, hindi ko sure kung kailangan nila ng account, pero for sure kung sakali man, account lang din yung kailangan mo. And then the other practice exercises, I think hindi nila kailangan ng account. Okay. So please double check kung ano yung mga specific exercise na yun. So I can also check that one. Kasi kung hindi ma-access, then I can just simply replace that one. Okay. Baka may mali na dun sa website, or probably kailangan mo ng account na VIP. Diba kailangan pang bilhin or mag-subscribe. Anyway, so are you guys seeing my screen now?
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So well, actually, we still have like 9 days left before your midterm exam. Okay. But we now only have one meeting left, which will be on a Friday, since Tuesday is holiday. Okay. So after that will be now your midterm exam. So with this one, I did publish the week number 3 already, just to have an advance for this one. Para advance lang tayo sa mga activities. So ang ginawa ko, ang due date niya is November 5 instead of 1 week only. So supposedly ang due date nito is November 2. But I did extend that until November 5. So parang naging 10 days yung parang time nyo para i-access itong mga quizzes. So we only have 6 quizzes and then 1 case study. Okay. Sir, graded po ba yung mga practice quiz? No. Okay. So yung iba, siguro ginagawa nilang graded since nakalagay dito graded or not graded. But in my case, since this one is just practice exercises, so it's not read for me. And then one more thing, I won't be able to monitor if you're really checking this practice exercises, since this one is an external link. Okay, so hindi siya masasave mismo sa dito sa Canvas. Okay, so kung ano man yung makuha nyo doon, yun na yun. Then pwede mo namang i-retake, syempre. This one is just to practice. Okay, so it's not graded. So the only graded are your quizzes and your case studies. Then of course will be your midterm exam. So yun yung mga graded sa dito sa Math 100. Okay. So by the way, was I able to answer your question, Miss Riniel? All right. So the same with you, Mr. Florida. Okay. So I hope I was able to answer your questions. Any other concerns? So if you have a question, so just feel free to, put it in our chat box. Okay. So yun lang naman. Actually, again, yung reason nga kung bakit tayo nagmi-meet is for the consultation. Okay, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, so I can answer that one via live para mas mabilis. Okay. Kita mo yung screen ko and then I can demo it right away. Okay. So yeah, under this week 3 watch videos. So itong problem solving na to is saglit lang, I think. Yeah, 46 minutes lang. So konting maliit lang siya na topic. Parang 3 topics lang yata to, itong problem solving. Okay, so just watch this one, and then after watching that one, then you can maybe go over with the practice exercises first, and then after that you can now take this quizzes right here. Okay. Then after this will be your midterm exam. So we will still meet. Okay. Pero check muna natin. Okay. We will see if we'll still meet this coming Friday. So if you guys have a lot of questions, maybe, then we will meet this coming Friday. But if you don't have any concerns, then, or if your concern can be answered via chat, okay? So you can message me anytime. Okay, para makasave ka ng time. You don't need to wait for the consultation day just to ask your question. So if you have a question or clarification, so you can message me right away. Okay, mapa-Canvas man yan or mapa-Facebook, so it's okay. Alright. And then, so advance ko na lang din, midterm exam. So the coverage of your midterm exam will be, of course, all of the modules. So module 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, okay, yun na lang muna. So we'll just see if we'll meet this coming Friday. Okay. So good luck in advance, and as always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, and keep safe as always.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
So do you have a question, Mr. Florida?
Sir, doon po sa population kwan, sa paano po nakuha yung R? Sir, medyo nalilito ako doon eh.
R is the growth.
Sir, yung rate of growth.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Gagamit ka ng dalawa naman yung way. Okay. Because you need to bring that down, right? So gamit ka ng ln or log. So this is just a 2-minute video. So for example, this one, right? How will you get this one if this one is a variable?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yan, i-check mo to. Okay, so bakit ngayon ka lang tanong? Tapos na yata yung due date nun. Anyway, so gagamit ka ng logarithmic. Okay, or none. Okay, so 2-minute video
Yes,
lang naman
sir.
to. Check mo na to.
Okay, sige, thank you po, sir.
Alright, so you're welcome. Okay, so you guys may go now. Okay, so thank you for coming.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Sir,
Thank you.
goodbye,
Thank you po,
sir.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Sir,
Thank you.
have a nice morning, sir.